Uy, na ako'y kato akong friend, di ba? 10 years na siya nga single. And happy siya.
Okay, abi na ko nabuang siya.
Dili, tinood bitaw, di ba? What can you say?
Pero that's
Sa
it.
mga ingana.
Like if it works being in a relationship with you and yourself, like I think okay ra. I was single for 7 years and I enjoyed it. If ganun ka single, then you know it's not a problem. I think ang problema na is makaibawang tao nga single na siya for 10 years and people would ask why, or luya pud nimo why mo alaga nimo, or like wakay iniguli nimo, wakay kastorya sa mong day. Kana ganing people would feel pity sa situation sa mong friend because she's single for 10 years. I think that's where I have a problem. Kay first, mind your own business. Second, if her life doesn't impact yours, then why are you having this opinion? An opinion about her life. Like it is what it is. Like if people are happy being single, then they're happy being single.
Pero every time nga makasugat ba ko nga ng mga tao na I find them kanang mas masuya ko. Kay nindot kayo why?
Ay, kadyot lang. Message ko ni Princess.
Dili, bueng, no.